In this video, I will guide you on how to remove TikTok you may like suggestions. Now, the first thing you want to do is launch open the TikTok app. Now, tap on the search bar. Here, you will find the You May Like section. Tap on the refresh button next to it. This is the first method. If this doesn't help, then you can use the second method, which is to clear search history. For that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. Now select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Activity Center. Now tap Search History. Then tap on Select. Now tap Select All History. Then tap Delete All. Tap on Delete. Next thing you want to do is head back over to Settings, tap Notifications, find Personalized Post Suggestions over here. Make sure that you turn off all the options here. Next, you want to report unwanted suggestions. For that, you want to tap on the search bar, scroll all the way to the bottom. Here you will find the Help Us Improve option. Tap on that, then select Suggested Searches Are Not Interesting. Then choose the accounts you don't want to see, tap on Submit. Now you want to force close the TikTok app, then reopen it. Now check these search suggestions again. If you do not still find your preferred suggestions, you can simply log out of your TikTok account and log back in. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.